Hello, welcome to Tuesday Recipes. Every Tuesday, I'd like to release a video talking about the keto eating plan. This week, I'm making cheesy chicken chili. I said it like that because I cannot say it straight the first time. Whenever I try to say it, it's like chicken chili, the cheesy. Anyway, yeah. This is the second time I'm cooking this recipe video. I'm making this recipe video. The first time I recorded it, it was just it didn't turn out well. The recipe turned out fine, but my talking did not. Um, in some of the shots, you could see a bottle of vodka sitting in the bottle background on the cabinet, and it did sound like I was enjoying that bottle. But anyway, trying to get that turned around. But anyway, let me go ahead and get into the recipe. It's a pretty good recipe, and it's a pretty simple one, so let's get into it. It looks like a lot, but again, it's a slow cooker recipe, so it's just put everything in the pot and let it sit. Starting off with 2 cups of chicken broth, 1 tablespoon of chili powder, 1 tablespoon of paprika, 1 tablespoon of cumin, half a teaspoon of ground cayenne. The first time I made this, I thought it was a typo because it's calling for a whole tablespoon of salt and a whole tablespoon of black pepper. But that previous recipe turned out pretty good. So who knows, maybe it is a typo and I'm just adding a buttload of salt and pepper into it. But I thought it turned out pretty good. Let's see, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of onion powder, a half a teaspoon of turmeric, 1/2 cup of chopped frozen onions, 1 tablespoon of chopped cilantro, 28 ounces of diced tomatoes, 1 jalapeno, 2 pounds of chicken thighs, boneless, skinless chicken thighs, 8 ounces of cream cheese, 4 tablespoons of butter, a half a cup of heavy whipping cream, and 2 cups of shredded cheddar. So yeah, that's all in it. First thing I'm gonna do is put the shredded cheese, and whip the cheddar cheese and cream and butter away because that and the cream cheese. I'll put all the dairy away for a while for now because it's starting off just putting the other stuff in the crock pot. Okay, I got the stuff mixed up, cut up. Interesting that it doesn't say to cut the chicken up at first. It says to shred that up later in the recipe. But anyway, so what I'm going to do now is I'll add in the chicken broth and the spices. Let's see, chili seasoning, paprika, cumin, cayenne, salt and pepper, onion powder, garlic powder, and turmeric. All right, now the spices are all in there. I'll get it mixed up. So now that I got the spices mixed up, I'll get the onions in, and the cilantro, tomatoes, and the jalapeno. I hear it's when you're cooking with jalapeno, it's not quite as spicy if you cut out the interior and the seeds inside, but we'll roll with it. It's pretty good. All that at that temperature. So now that I got all that stuff in there and mixed in, I'll go ahead and add in the chicken. Man, that smells good. All right, get that in there, and it says to make sure the chicken is underneath the level of the broth there. Just make sure it's pushed in. Now, it says to cook on low for 8 hours on low, or 4 hours on high. And so I'm saying starting a little bit early. I'm starting a little bit late because I can't get my life organized. Set that over on high and set the timer for 4 hours. Almost forgot to plug in the slow cooker. All right, we'll let that sit for 4 hours on high, and then I'll come back to it. All right. that's been sitting on high for about 4 hours now, and probably should have started this a little bit sooner. I'm going to get the butter melted up, and once the butter is melted up, I'm going to get the cream cheese mixed into the butter. It's all melted up now, so now I'll go ahead and add in the cream cheese, and I'll just get that mixed up until it's smooth. Turned up the heat a little bit to get that stirred in together. Now I'll add in a couple of spoonfuls of the broth from the chili. I think that's just to even out the temperature of the two things. Let's get that smooth stirred in. Now that's all stirred up, I'll go ahead and put that into the slow cooker. Just dump that in. I'll get that mixed up. It's said to get the chicken cut up and shredded up with a fork, but really just mixing it up cut up the chicken into chunks. So now I'll add in the cream. And the shredded cheddar. And I'll get that mixed up. Chunks chunked up. Alright. And I think that's it. And that's cheesy chicken chili, if I can say that properly. A little bit later in the night than I want it to be, but hey, at least it's done now. Anyway, thanks for watching. Check out my Patreon link below if you're feeling generous. Like, favorite, subscribe, and all that good stuff. And every Tuesday, I'd like to share a ketogenic recipe. And I think this is one of those recipes that I'll cook for myself a lot, because this is one of those really good recipes. I think it makes 8 servings. Anyway, thanks for watching, and have a nice day.